Mrs. Garcia, this is MedScope America. We received your emergency alert. Are you all right?
I fell down and I think I've broken my arm.
We'll send someone immediately and we'll contact your physician.
The MedScope emergency response system enables a person living alone or at risk of falls or who has other medical or age-related concerns to get help at once in case of an emergency. The system comes complete with the response unit that communicates with the emergency call center over ordinary home phone lines, a low-voltage AC power adapter, a 10-foot phone line, and a choice of either a pendant or a wristband-mounted transmitter. To set up the system, the first thing the installer does is remove the response unit from its packaging. Turn the unit around so you can view the rear side. You will see two ports labeled line and phone. Plug one end of the cord enclosed with the system into the port labeled line. Please note that it is essential that the telephone cord connected from the wall jack be connected to the port labeled line for the system to work. If you already have a telephone or other device plugged into the phone jack, don't worry. Simply unhook it temporarily. Plug the AC adapter on the power cord into any standard electrical outlet. Be sure that this outlet is not controlled by a wall switch. If the wall switch is turned off, the unit would then be powered by the internal battery backup and start beeping and discharge the battery. After plugging the unit in, you should hear the unit emit a beep when the plug is installed into the outlet. If you had a telephone or other device originally inserted into the phone jack, you may now plug it into the port labeled phone located on the back of the unit. Please note that any device, such as a phone, answering machine, or computer, can be plugged into this port. Once the system is completely connected, test it by pressing the transmitter button. In about 40 seconds, the emergency operator should speak to you through the speaker on the response unit. Be sure to tell her that you are testing the system. If you do not hear her through the speaker, please check your connections or call 1-800-645-2060 for assistance. Once the system is installed and operating, the transmitter may be operated from a distance of up to 800 feet from the monitor. The transmitter may be used in the bath or shower. Both the pendant and the wrist-style transmitters are powered by long-life lithium batteries, and storage life is in excess of 10 years. MedScope monitoring personnel are highly skilled representatives and are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When an alert signal is received, they have access to up-to-date medical records, as well as current phone numbers for all emergency contacts and the preferred physician. In the event that prescriptions or the medical condition of the person using the equipment changes, either the person or his or her representative can access the information and make necessary changes, assuring that the person in need receives the fastest and most appropriate care. If you have any further questions, contact MedScope America at 1-800-645-2060.